Rivers over the middle, picked off! On the interception, it's Antone Exum! Touchdown! A pick six for the Niners! First pick six for Phillip Rivers since 2016, and the Niners strike first.
A lot of tall guys. DeForest Buckner in there at 6'7". A lot of length, and so having to throw over that length, I don't think Phillip Rivers saw exactly where he's throwing it to. He was throwing to a spot, didn't realize there'd be a defender in that spot.
First career interception for the fourth-year man out of Virginia Tech, Antone Exum.